Hello folks, I'll be doing a quick short video on how to change a filter on a Kangen water machine, leveluk sd501. First of all, you make sure it's unplugged. Just get this bottle out of the way here. And this is the box that the filter came in from Magic headquarters in Toronto. There's one in Vancouver also. And you can order our parts for these machines once you own one. Okay, let me put the phone down here for a sec. Gotta cut this open. Just be careful if you have to cut the box open. They use a lot of tape on these. Here's the HGN filter. Takes chlorine and minerals and stuff out of the water. Let's open it up here. So nothing else in the box. Get that out of the way. Okay. First of all, you gotta unlock it here. Lift that up and over. Make sure you carefully lift this out. And there's O-rings on here that you'll have to take off and probably put on the new one if they didn't come with any. Set that aside. Oh, it comes with it, I guess. Get this open here. This comes with a sticker, so you mark the date when you installed it. So these filters here are good up to 6 months before you have to get a new one. And you just mark the date on here so you'll know, and stick it on the side of the machine over here. There's an old one there. Sorry for being all over the place. Okay, just gonna line up these holes, the ones in there. Okay, snug fit. Put this ring on so you can lock it in. So you turn it that way. That's locked. Okay, and we go and plug the machine back in because we got to press this button right here to reset the filter on here. So we plug it in. See, I think I turn it on, yeah.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5. Filter reset.
I just pressed that button there. So it resetted itself. So I'll show you again. So you unplug it. It'll turn off here in a sec.
Power on.
Okay, there you go. So I'll plug it back in just to show you. And it's reset.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
Casing back on. And what I'll do is I'll let it run for a few seconds. Just get the water circulating through the brand new filter.
Kangen water 9.5.
I'll let this run for about a couple minutes just to get the water circulate into the new filter. And this is the old one. Oops. So I'll put this back in the box, the old box. You gotta make sure you get the right filters for these too. You can't just buy one offline on Amazon or something and put a filter in these things. You gotta, the Magic companies, the Magic that makes these machines, they're a legit company. They've been around since 1974, so that makes them 48 years old, and they make their own equipment for these machines, and you just order from them, and it takes about a week to 2 weeks to come in. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.